Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to center text in Publisher vertically and horizontally. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to center this text vertically and horizontally. Click the text box and go to the shape format menu. Then click bring forward, then click bring to font, then zoom out this document and go to the home menu, then click the draw text box, then draw a text box over the page, then click the text box and go to the shape format menu, then choose send to back, then click the first text box, then press shift on our keyboard, then select multiple text box. Then go to the shape format menu, then click the alignment option, then choose the alignment center, then click align middle. Now we can see we center text publisher vertically. Then click the first text box, then click rotate option, then press shift on our keyboard, then make this text box horizontally, then click the text box and again click the second text box, press shift on our keyboard, then go to the shape format menu and click align option, then choose center, then again go back this align, then choose middle. Now we can see we centered the text horizontally. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.